Hey guys, here with Miss Cutie Pie today, and this is my first YouTube video that I'll be posting. I actually really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing this for fun because many of my other friends play Animal Jam and they've done their own channel, so I decided, why can't I? So let's see, what should I do today? I guess I could just show you what Animal Jam Play Wild is all about anyways. I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. I'll figure out what I'll be doing, like skits, Animal Jam videos, music videos, I don't know. But for today, oh my gosh, what did I do? Alright, we're here at Mystical Fortress. Even though I already have one, I'm just gonna show you Animal Jam HQ, which they have a very bad type of decorating because this isn't really well decorated. Yep! Don't know what those flares are. Definitely. Okay, this is nice. I don't know. We can just go start trading or something. And as always, we're gonna get that little fact. And it's nighttime because on Monday there will be a solar eclipse. Pretty sure. Okay, let's see what these people have. Not very much. Oops. Have everything they have but the panda. Not that much. Do you have on trade? Do you? Spotted wings there, all that. I don't know, I'm really bad at trading. Well, I used to be really good at it because I used to trade all the time, and I just stopped to spend time with my Animal Jam family. Let's see the Jama Journal in this issue. The solar eclipse in Jama. For the first time since anyone can remember a complete solar eclipse. Oh, so it was a solar eclipse. It's happening in Jama. Blah, 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 blah. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Honeybees, they already know that. They're selling them for gems. And I need to get that. I don't have enough money. Pet fireflies, I already have that. Actually, I just want to go see them again. Pretty much have all the animals except the panda. Need to get more money. Trading marker tail for blackout spite. That is not fair. That's a scam. I also got the mystical set fortress bundle. Oh, look at them! They're so adorable. I wouldn't really use that. I mean, I'm not a guy. That is cute. I would use that, to be honest. I love it. And the honeybee sale. Please, guys, don't make fun of me. I know I suck at this right now. I know I don't know what I'm doing, but this is my first video, please. Please have mercy on the comments. Actually, none of my buddies are on, or my... Who said I wanted to do exchange? Like the heck? Actually, this person. This guy is on. The vidoe. Anyway, I don't really want anything from her. I'm just gonna go follow up on her and just tell her I'm making a video and to help me out because I just don't know what I'm doing. Ugh, come on! Look, didn't even read that. Sky, help me out! Hate AJ. I mean, no, I don't hate it. No, I just hate its chat system. Sky! Hey! Hello! Stop writing that message! Stop jumping around. Help me, please. Yeah, hi. I'm recording. So, tell me. I'm telling you what I need. Oh my gosh, never mind. What you need help with? I'm recording. Oh. Don't go away, please. Say hi at least. I'm trying to keep a friend from getting hacked. Oh. So. Hi. That's just great. I'll actually leave you. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna go check that. Let's just do this really quick. I don't really care what I get. 50 gems, 65 gems, nice table which I'll recycle later, 250 gems. Great job, thank you. $75 gems. Spotted chair, 100 gems. Look at baby Lilac! Oh yeah, Lilac is my name. I'm not revealing my real name for restricted purposes. Just call me Lilac. Lilac. Miss Cutie Pie. I mean. You little fat sheep. Don't pay attention to this one. That's the person I hate most. Don't even look at her. I don't even know what I have around here. I have no idea what to do. Come on. Just like comment down below. I bet I won't even get one on this. I seriously need to get better at what I'm supposed to be saying. I don't know how YouTubers do this. They talk to themselves for like, what, 12 minutes? Doing what? I wish someone could help me. Because, I don't know, should I just do like, seriously, just... Actually, I think after this I'm just gonna do something. But whatever, this is my first video, so don't really care. I guess. And I hope none of my Animal Jam buddies find this, because if they do, I'm gonna die. Actually, I think my friend Ace was gonna do one. So then I'll just tell him to help me out. Yay, I am done now. Oh, Bamboo, look at that. I'm gonna get that. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. I knew that. Whoa. Beta dens. There's a beta den. Doesn't look beta. What the heck is she wearing on her head? I remember a scammer that had the name. I'm not saying anything. Oh, she looks beta. Actually, most of them are named beta. Like the forest one likes the flag crown. The wing shoes. I think those are all like seasonal, whatever, seasonal things. There's no one else on. Actually, I think I'm just gonna yeah, guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. So, of course, you guys won't like this, or probably won't even subscribe. But thanks for watching. Bye.